ET20C is a channel letter bending and notching machine. Software is the company independent research and development, support many languages. Manipulator feeding. The material clamps are casted which can improve the feeding speed and stability. Plane cutter can slot all kinds of materials, and the servo motor can improve the slotting speed and stability. Cutting teeth, folding, cutting with self-developed automatic software. Realize the automatic operation of the machine, save the labor. This is the double blade alternating bending structure and cutting structure. Clinching machine automatically feeds rivets.